Good afternoon, my name is Santiago Edison Moreno Preciado. This is my lesson plan template of my task final. The topic of my lesson is agricultural, livestock, mineral, and forestry activities. The objectives is identify the different activities of the multisectorial sector and economy in the country. Now the definition or concepts of each of the activities, and now how to identify the different resources found in each economy activity. Introduction. In this lesson plan, we work with 4th grade students, where the central topic will be the activities of the primary sector, such as agriculture and mining, forestry, etc. Also, the purpose of the class for students to know and be able to differentiate the activities that they take place in the country, both in the countryside, in the city, and other sectors of the economy, as they are agriculture and forestry. Lesson description. Presentation stage. In this stage, the teacher gives them the respective explanation of the different activities that currently exist in the country and its economic side. Likewise, an explanatory video of the subject will be shown so that the students have a better comprehension and understanding of the subject. Practice stage. After the presentations of the topic, the teacher places some practice exercises to find out if the students can identify the different economy activities according to the image, and also another exercise where they must choose the product that they produce according to the activity economic. Production stage. The students in this step will have to develop a word emphasizing which resources are produced in each of the economic activities. In addition, they will meet in pairs for develop the reading and tests related to the topic and answering the questions regarding to the topic. Conclusions. During the development of the lesson plan, the aim was for the students to understand, analyze, and differentiate the primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors of the country's economic activities. Other conclusions is likewise they solve specific exercises related to the topic, which allowed the reinforced concepts and put them into practice according to the context. And finally, conclusions, they were given an evaluation and feedback on the topic seen to find out if they understand the topic, if the lesson plan was really significant and their learning, and they clarify doubts and answer questions and any of them might have. Closing. In general terms, the lesson plan was very enriching and meaningful for the students because they all understand the subject very well. They were participatory and dynamic during the class. In addition, this lesson plan complete with all the standards and steps necessary for the students to be focused and attentive in this development. Thank you all, and see you another time. See you soon. Bye-bye.